Now we are discussing the next question. In this question, in a gas discharge tube, if 1.25 into 10 to the power 16 electrons are flowing per second from left to right, and 1.25 into 10 to the power 16 protons are flowing per second from right to left through a given cross section, then we have to make a discharge tube. Let this is a discharge tube and build a cross section area. This is cross section area. Through this cross section area, 1.25 into 10 to the power 16 electrons are flowing per second from left to right. मैंने आपको पहले ही कहा था कि फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट का मतलब क्या हुआ, यू आर दी ऑब्जॉर्बर. सो अपने पोजीशन से ठीक सामने आप बनाएंगे क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया को, अपने नाक के सामने, अपने फेस के सामने क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया बनाएंगे और उस क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया पर बिल्कुल उसके सामने आप खड़े हैं ऐसा कंसिडर कीजिए और आपके लेफ्ट आर्म से राइट आर्म की तरफ जा रहे हैं जो भी पार्टिकल, जिस पार्टिकल की बात कर रहा है राइट टू लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट टू राइट, तो आपके आर्म से आपके दूसरे आर्म की तरफ जा रही है. In this question, in this gas discharge tube, 1.25 into 10 to the power 16 electrons are flowing per second from left to right. So, this is your left. From your left, electrons are going towards right through this cross section area. This is your left and this is your right. Electrons are going from left to right. And the number of electrons are what is number? N is equal to 1.25 into 10 to the power 16 total electrons are going. इलेक्ट्रॉन के इधर जाने से इलेक्ट्रिक करंट विल फ्लो अगेंस्ट द मोशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो ड्यू टू द flow of this electron through this cross section area, electric current will flow from right to left through the same point. So this is electric current due to electron. Let this will be I1. So I1 is electric current due to flow of electron. Let I1 is equal to electric current due to flow of electrons here. Then the value of I1 will be how much? N into E. Let this N is N1, N1 into A. Write the value of N1. The value of N1 is given here 1.25 into 10 to the power 16 into electronic charge. This is E. And again let I2 is electric current due to flow of protons here. The number of protons are 1.25 into 10 to the power 16. So let N2 be the number of protons flowing per second. Flowing per second through this same cross section area. And E is electronic charge. This is positive on proton and negative on electron, but we have to calculate only mod value of this E. So this mod value of E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now come on this cross section area. Protons are flowing per second from right to left. Again your right arm is here and protons are flowing towards your left, right to left. Let this current is I2. I2 is current due to protons. So the direction of electric current due to electron is in the same direction of the electric current due to proton. So net current will be I I will be equal to I1 plus I2 because both the currents are having same direction. So addition will occur. Put the value of I1. I1 is N1 into E, and put the value of I2. I2 is N2 into E, where E is electronic charge. Electronic charge is same on electron as well as on proton. The magnitude of charge we are taking here. So this will be N1 plus N2 into E. The value of N1 is 1.25 into 10 to the power 16. The value of N2 is again 1.25 into 10 to the power 16 into E, this electronic charge. Take common. 1.25 plus 1.25 into 10 to the power 16. 10 to the power 16 will be common here into E. Sum up the 1.25 and 1.25. This will be equal to 2.50. 2.50 into 10 to the power 16, and put the value of E 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. This will be the value of your current. I 1.25 into 10 to the power 16. 10 to the power 16 and 10 to the power minus 19 becomes 10 to the power minus 3. So 2.50 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. This is ampere. Will be your answer. Multiply 1.25, 1.6 and 2.5.